This answer is powered by AskQuesty.com. Get help with your Squarespace questions or tasks on demand.
I didn't get exactly what type of page you have, but so here are a couple of my solutions or ways to solve this problem. Yeah. So first of all, we are able to create some kind of a page with some layout, like features or something like this, and then like this. Yeah. So I just save it. Yeah, great. Then I just can edit this one, and I can add some buttons. Like everything is on your own page. Okay, so here is a button. Come on, spacer is working. The button doesn't. Okay. Okay, right here. And so it will be something like this. Just long text up here. It will be working, yeah. But then you need just to repeat this layout. Probably there is a way. Just line, line, and all the stuff you can build. But it's a bit hard, I think. Yeah. So I mean, it doesn't make any sense. Whatever. Yes. Want to remove it? Okay, cancel. Another way of doing this, I would suggest you to create index page and add some sections in your index in the following way. Like you just add like this one. Okay, you see this? And then I want to add a different section. Features, again, the same stuff. And I will have one long page. So then what I would like to do, I want just to delete this text, this stuff, not necessarily, I don't need it. Then I can just like move some stuff around, probably. At least I hope so. It's not working as I expected to work, but okay, text, I want it to be, come on. Don't need this text. Okay, can I just put it? You see, it's a bit challenging. Yep. Okay, and then this text. If I want to repeat this whole template, probably something like this. Come on, I should grab it, and not like this, please. Okay. And then just add some like feature stuff, and then the button and everything will work fine. But like if you just need many pages like this, you can just do the same stuff. Yeah, the problem is that you have to move from left to right if you want the repetitive template like layout. But anyways, it's way easier than creating everything from scratch. Okay, so hopefully this little video tutorial will help you to fix this issue. Thank you for asking us.
Was this helpful? Ask a Squarespace question now. AskQuesty.com.